Here at Wondrium, we wonder about everything. For example, we got to wondering whether a chef and a culinary scientist look at food in different ways. So we asked our friends at the Culinary Institute of America to help us find out.
Salt.
Sodium chloride.
Lemon.
Citrus limon, a member of the Rutaceae family. Good source of vitamin C, magnesium, potassium. The peel is an excellent source of pectin.
Tonkotsu. Handmade Japanese knife with Swedish carbon steel.
A knife. I have no idea what that is.
But what we found out was, despite their very different points of view, they agree about what makes great food great.
Delicious.
Delicious.
If you ever wondered about the science behind your favorite meals and how you can get those results yourself, then you'll want to watch Cooking Better with Science.